Get ready with me to cry watching Korean dramas. Just kidding. It is Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month, so I've been watching a lot more Korean dramas these days, and so I just need to show my skin a little extra TLC from all of the crying. I'm going to start off with these two Tatcha products that have the core ingredient of rice, which is obviously a staple in Asian culture. And I love double cleansing with these two products because they just make my skin so soft and smooth. And now I'm going to use all watermelon products from Glow Recipe. As a first-generation Asian American, my parents often expressed their love for me by cutting up fruit. It was super random, but they would usually bring in the fruit while I was studying. And I'm not complaining. I love fruit and I love it when somebody else cuts it for me. But they did this because they didn't know how to express their emotions or love for me easily. Watermelons are actually also really big in Korean culture. You'll see it referenced a lot in dramas and movies, and one of my core memories as a child is actually eating freshly cut watermelon in the summer in Korea. And let me tell you, the watermelons in Korea, they just hit different. And that's the full routine. I'm off to watch more Korean dramas with my non-Korean boyfriend so I can educate him about the Korean culture, but I hope you have a happy AAPI Heritage Month.